What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Guys, me then me decide to come outside, come buy some things, cause me I go do laundry today. And so them have some new things where them use for them have some new things that them use to wash nowadays, like some sheets. So this is like a sheet where you just put one piece in there and it just wash the clothes them, you know. Cause me not really, so now I want some them here a dryer sheet, I believe. Let me say clean sensation. So me I try find something for put in the thing and just make everything. Oh, them there odor boost. I don't really like my clothes too smell now. Whole heap different smells. So dryer sheet. I think me go get this one. Me go get that one there, guys, cause my me not like when my clothes smell whole heap smell like dryer sheet or smell like then just wash. Me like them smell clean, but me not really like when they smell when me go out the door people smell. No, me not like that. Me not like that. So me get what me really want, but me I look some other things, guys, where so guys me find which part of the shelf things them there. So me go down there to see if me can find shelf for me I look for. Guys, hear what me do? Me left the tape measure. Guys, me left the tape measurement. And me left the tape measurement. How the hell? Me I gonna know what size me really want. Guess how me gonna know? The thing where in there already have three hanger thing. So me go look for the one where I have three. Guys, me go look for the one where I have three hanger things. One thing, guys, this place ginormous. This place big. Yeah, man, Menards. This is a very big place. So this, guys, this man tell me say we must just come down this way. But we go continue walk and see. Because as far as me concerned, guys, this man said me upon a wild goose chase. Hold on a little bit. 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 Ah, see them there over there, so. See them over there, so, guys. Yeah, man. I see them. I find them. Yeah, man. It wasn't a wild goose chase. It was just me never did that. Look good. Hold on a little bit. What a go on, my viewers and subscribers. Good morning, evening, afternoon, any which part you're there in the world or in the universe. Guys, first and foremost, I want to say thank you all very much for the live last night. Yeah, it wasn't what you call it, I never do it right, like post that I'm going to be live long enough, early enough. So some people say them never get a chance to come on the live, but here what happened. I'm going to go start to do live now and then, but I go start to make that Thursday evening live. Every Thursday live. Yeah, man. Every Thursday me go have a live and me go just give it a name, and sometimes we go have a topic, sometimes we not on a topic, sometimes we just have vibes, we just a talk, we just a laugh, we just have good vibes. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers. As me say, thank you all very much for come talk with me, vibes with me. We talk a lot of things, different kind of things, you know. We just talk and have fun. Thank you all very much to each and every one of you who give me a donation towards getting me food truck back up and running. Yeah man, thank you all very much. AK, big up yourself. Thank you very much for stop by. Thank you very much for come back, come over in the live, and you don't know, we love you, we respect you, we rate you. We understand life is a living, so just go and live the life you love and love the life you live. To everybody we come in at the live, yeah man, everybody who donate and who prayer and everything, thank you all very much. Now guys, you see, I have asked a question. If I should make a video answering an individual who I see making videos about me, but I get a lot of people say no, a few people says yes. So I go stick with the many people that says no. And guys, I go say this. I tell you all that I have 25 years experience, but I never tell you what I have 25 years of experience in. And I go still continue to say I have 25 years of experience. So I find out where everything I come from. And guys, let me say this to each and every one of you. This YouTube street is a supportive street where we all can make money. We all can enjoy ourselves. We all can have a wonderful time, and we all can meet and greet new people. However, some of us on this YouTube street is not about those things. Some of us on the YouTube street is all about what they can get from people. If they can get money from you, they'll talk to you like them and you're a friend. If they cannot get anything from you, they'll chastise you like you're the worst person on this earth. So, without me stay, me not stay that the way. Me have a good heart and a clean heart. Me will help you, even if me not have it. Me will help you. However, if me figure out and find out say you have dirty ways, me go drop you like a ball. And me will drop you and not even remember say you exist. And that's just how me stay. That's how me stay. And me not change. Because at the end of the day, like, respect is respect. Respect goes a long way. Respect goes a far way. And if you have respect for somebody, show them respect, show them the love. People will show you back that same respect and that same love. Sometimes, if you and a person talks, you and a person may not be friends, but you and the person talk. But there is a set of people out there in the world where carry go bring come, carry go around this so, and is a problem to society. Now, those kind of people will always struggle in a life. Those kind of people will always be nobody in life. Those kind of people will always be nothing in life. Those kind of people are the people who act like they are everything in life. Those kind of people are the people who operate like they believe that everything starts and ends with them. But you know, guys, I am a person who sit down, acknowledge, understand who each person that I deal with is. Now I come on the YouTube street not knowing any YouTuber or any content creator or any subscriber or any viewer. And you know, channel I go and channel I work. Meet a lot of people. make and find a lot of friends. Make and broke and all kind of things with people, because not everybody is going to be your friend. Not everybody go stick as your friend. Sometimes when you see those things happen, you have to realize that life is a living. Life is how you make it. Life is what you make from it. Now, I have seen where people do a lot of negative video. A lot of it. And when they do the negative video, they get a lot of views, a lot of things. Why I'm saying this is, I saw an individual write a message on one of my videos. And the reason why I don't post messages that people write is because I'm not giving them no highlight. But the message was on a video that I did about Colorsmith, that I said that, what if Colorsmith was a reactor? And the person write a message, and the person comment was that I am a hypocrite, because now I'm trying to make up. I scratch my head. And when I scratch my head, I said, I laugh too. Because at the end of the day, if you all don't understand me, then you all need to don't watch the videos then. And I've been honest. If you don't understand Rodney's, you can't watch my videos then. Because I don't beat around bushes. And I don't need help to make videos. I make videos on my own. I don't even watch people content to make a content. I make content out of this. I don't watch people content to make videos. But what I realize, guys, is this. The YouTube street, which is not the YouTube street, is the Jamaican YouTube street, is just a menace to society. It's a mess where everybody want to take down each other. Everybody think they're better than each other. Everybody think the clothes that they wear is more important than the other clothes that the other person wear. Like me, I don't like dress. I do not like to dress up. I just put on clothes and go about my business. That's me. I don't dress up to suit nobody. I don't dress up for nobody to say, oh, Rodney look good. No, I don't do that. Because at the end of the day is my art. My art is more important than the clothes what me I wear. Me now go dress up and look nice and clean and neat and have a dirty heart and a dirty stinking mind. My heart and mind pure and clean. Because guess what? I will talk things. But like me personally, I'm not going to call that person and tell that person, say, Rodney this, Rodney that, Rodney this, Rodney that, for him to make a video about Rodney. No. I am, in other words, is me not going to call no man if give them no information about nobody if you make no video about people. No man, no woman. Me's a loner. And if I know anything about somebody, is either me go make a video about it or I'm not going to make a video about it. One or the other. But what I notice, guys, is, and I've been talking about it, the thing about it is the reacting that is going on is not reacting, is not reaction. It's just bad minding. It's just being vicious about another man because you don't want that man to make the money to put in their pocket, which simply meaning that we all can make money. We all can make money off YouTube. We don't have to be talking, beating down each other, trying to carry down people. We can talk about people. Like the other day I was talking about Knife Ninja. And if you realize, I don't talk about Knife Ninja again. Because guess what? I believe making a few videos about that situation and finish with it. Because what? What did Knife Ninja do to me? Nothing. And all Knife Ninja did, let's be honest, all Knife Ninja did was he did it the wrong way. He should have, he's a grown man, he should have just gone on his own and just make a one content and say he's not available with Color Smith anymore. He's on his own. Argument done. So the thing is not like people, let me say this. It's like we as Jamaicans just believe that we should always tear down with Jamaican people. Listen here good. I saw a man, I saw a brother. Listen me good enough. I saw shots the other day. And the shots was from Canada walk by. And he was saying, oh, he hate. He says he hate the Jamaicans that live in Canada. Yes. But when I sit down and I listen to what he's saying, I said to myself, it's kind of funny, but isn't it walk by the same person who I see was making videos about, I think he make a video about me too. When I didn't even say I do him nothing. I didn't even answer him or nothing. But that's just to show you how we are as Jamaicans. As soon as somebody do something to you, then that's the time you go be like, hey, oh, me not like that boy there. But before, you know, and that's the problem. But my viewers and subscribers, me personally, I think about something. Because I believe I go drop something and it go hurt a couple people. Yeah man, I believe I go drop something and it go hurt a couple people. It go hurt a couple people. Very, very bad. Yeah, it go hurt a couple people. But me I sit down and I hold it a little bit. Yeah, me I hold it a little bit. I don't know for how long, but me I hold it for a little bit. My viewers and subscribers, you don't know how it go. Me I step in a Walmart, yeah, and me not go video. Me just go in there, come go in there and come back out real quick. So, me soon in our next video. I'm out. Bye bye.